Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a very fun one. I will be trying on my favorite nude lipstick combinations. Now I'm someone who wears nude lipstick and lip gloss like every single day. I very rarely do I like branch out and wear stuff other than nude lipsticks or glosses. So I figured over the years I've found my favorite combinations through Drugstore and some high-end options. So I figured I would go ahead and show you guys what my favorite lipstick combos are. Recently I did just go through my collection and I did some decluttering, I did some organizing, and when I tell you guys I had a lot to choose from, let me show you. I've got a bag of my, what are these, lip glosses. I've got another bag of lipsticks, traditional ones. I also have a bag of my liquid lips. So, as you guys can see, I went through all those. I also have a full makeup bag full of lipsticks, and I have a little caddy full of lipsticks and lip glosses. So when I tell you guys that I went through all of my collection and I found my absolute favorites, I really think I got a good list going on here. I want to go ahead and say that, you know, none of these lipstick combinations are, you know, targeted towards just my skin tone. I think if you're darker than me, you can wear a lot of these lipsticks. I think if you're lighter than me, you can wear a lot of these lipstick combinations. You might just choose to use a different lip liner, maybe a different lip gloss, or, you know, even a different lipstick, but use the same gloss or the same liner. So I figured this will just be a nice, you know, I'm always on Instagram trying to find my favorite Instagrammers like nude lipstick combos or what they're wearing. So here's my little gift to you. Hopefully you guys find some nice pics out of this. You know, maybe you had your eye on a certain lipstick and, you know, you just wanted to see it on somebody who's either your skin tone or just on someone's actual lips and not in an advertisement. So yes, I'm doing that today. If you like these kind of videos, go ahead and subscribe down below. Also, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I will be posting a lot more soon. I've kind of fallen off and I post, you know, every once in a while, but I'm really changing that up now. So go ahead and stay tuned for that. But without further ado, if you guys want to see what my favorite lipstick combinations are, then go ahead and keep watching. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys that right now on my lips, right now, I have the Laneige Sleeping Lip Mask. I've got the, I think the original flavor of this, but this is a very glossy formula. It looks like this. It's kind of like a balm texture, but I always prep my lips with that. Sometimes I sleep in it, sometimes I don't. I just put it on as lip balm. So that is what's on my lips right now. Alright, you guys, so that is the last lipstick combination I'm gonna do. My lips are, they are literally like on fire. They're so annoyed. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. This probably is not going to be my last lipstick combination video. If you guys do want to see my combination of my more bold colors, go ahead and let me know. I will probably do a part 2 to this video because I did notice there were some combinations that I wanted to do. I just couldn't find the lip liners that I usually use. So that's why I use my NYX Brown pencil a lot. But obviously, you know, you can sub out any of these like dark brown, mid-tone brown, warm tone brown pencils with anything that you have available to you. So don't forget that, and don't feel like you have to go out and buy these specific items. Even though everything in this video was pretty much affordable and super inexpensive, just so you know, don't feel like you have to, you know, buy high-end options to get a high-end look. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.